Welcome to our van life with our three little dogs, episode 96. We continue our journey at Joshua Tree National Park where we camped for the first time. Although it rained and got windy, we enjoyed our time here. Stay tuned and thank you for watching. Good morning from Black Rock Campground. It is cloudy and windy and chilly, but at least it's not raining. We are going to get some breakfast going and then get a little pack up, not too much, and head on to our next campground in Joshua Tree. Hopefully do some exploring along the way. We'll have to check out a couple back trails that we haven't yet in Joshua Tree Park. We can't go inside the park to head to Jumbo Rock Campground, so we're going to go back out to the 29 Palms Highway and head in from there. So we'll show you along the way and hopefully grab a couple shots of the valley here. We have our usual good breakfast going on a nice sunny day. And just did some cooking. Chewbacca is hungry. And got eggs on the griddle, avocado toast, coffee. Starlink going really good. And look at the rain has subsided. And look at this valley from Black Rock. It's still, clouds are moving inland. But look at this way. Oh man, this is what we're used to when we go to Joshua Tree. Beautiful blue skies, and we'll hope it stays like this today. It gets a little warmer. Bon appetito. Are you eating Pia? Ah.
Morning everyone. So we are leaving our Black Rock campsite here at Joshua Tree National Park and moving on to the next one. We are staying at Jumbo Rock Campground tonight. Check-in is from 12 to 12, so we should be okay to check in. It's already 5 minutes to 12 noon. I wanted to show you guys about Black Rock Campground just in case you'd like to stay here sometime. So as you can see, it's $25 per night per site, and we were only able to book one night at this specific spot, so that's why we have to move to a different area, which is nice for us because then it allows us to travel around the area. So we have about a 30-minute drive before we get to our next spot. That's how big this park is. You are allowed to have fire, although we didn't use ours last night since it was raining yesterday. So pets are allowed. So if you are going into the main park itself, you do have to contain your pets into the areas where they allow you to walk your dogs or any pet that you may be bringing with you. And we don't have water on this campsite, so we're pretty much boondocking it, and we had a shower this morning, so we did use up some of our water. We'll top it off if we find a potable water site later on. As you can see, quiet hours are between 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. It was quiet for us since our van is pretty well insulated, and hearing noise from the outside really is minimal. I always have to sleep with the windows open at nighttime to let fresh air in, and usually I will have the max air fan on and the cover open. But since it was raining last night, I only had the side windows open. So we have about 46% of a battery remaining, about 71 hours left, since we are driving to our next campsite, which may take about an hour or so depending on how many stops we take along the way. We should be able to get our battery back up to 98%. And so this is our van. I've got it cleaned up to go. I put a little trash can in between the GSS. That's the GSS. And the bathroom. I have some pee-pee pads ready, since we do have a 4-month-old puppy who's still learning. We're still teaching her how to be able to pee outside, but since it's been super cold, she hasn't been peeing that much. And then I left our Keurig on the side, and then some extra bags, and did bring an extra Bluetti for charging our phones and other stuff. And that's a puzzle that my 7-month-old puppy Bail Organa, that she loved using, but sadly Bail is no longer with us, so I'm teaching Han Solo how to use it. And then we have laundry and some other stuff, clothes. That's our little barbecue caddy. And then we did bring an extra fridge in the back there. And here's my little girl. This is Han Solo. She's throwing a little fit right now, so we're getting ready to go, so she'll get her exercise later on. And she is so sweet. And then there's Chewbacca, our 14 years old little girl. And then BobaFett. She is so lovely. She's 8 years old. I thought we were parked inside of Joshua Tree National Park, but we were actually outside. So Black Rock Campground is outside of Joshua Tree National Park, and Jumbo Rocks inside the national park.
Yeah, it's one of those. There's a bunch of national parks that will list campgrounds as they're part of their management, but they're not technically inside the park. So that's one reason why Black Rock had availability this weekend, kind of last minute. But it's Sunday night, and they had plenty of spots open in Jumbo Rock. So hopefully we picked a good one amidst some cool boulders. And we're heading into the park right now. Somebody's wearing their first sweater.
52 degrees outside.
Oh, matches her fur. So pretty. Gotta get warm out here in this cold desert. Okay, little Honey's first walk in Joshua Tree.
Come on, don't be scared.
We're in Jumbo Rock Campground. And it is busy on a Sunday, surprisingly. trail. This is, oh, Skull Rock Trail. So this must go in behind. And as we know, no doggies, no drone. Skull Rock must be maybe over on the other side of this. Shaking. Okay, this little hike might be short.
So we can go back by ourselves.
Yeah, let's just go back. Yeah, it's cold.
Very cold. Those are amazing views.
Yeah. Can't beat the desert magic hour. This is right across the street from the Jabba Rocks campground. It's the nature trail. Big horn. So yeah, this is the Skull Rock Trail, 1.7 miles. Circles around Skull Rock, which is right down the road. Skull Rock nature trail, just campground and Jabba Rocks, and we just met our subscribers and fellow Storyteller Mode LT owners. So shout out to Bill and Leslie.
And thank you for coming to see.
We'll check your card. Thank you for giving it to us.
And we really enjoyed talking with you and to cross paths again someday.
Yeah, definitely want to see you at meetup.
Yeah. And that's one thing I really love about the storytelling community is everyone is so nice and just fun to meet and camp with. And we hope to meet more of other fellow van lifers, make more friends, and travel more together.
Yes. And how do you think this trip went so far? We're heading home tomorrow.
It was really rainy yesterday. It rained for the entire time we were driving down here from Northern California, but it was okay. We like a little bit of rain because it's good for the environment too.
Yeah.
And today we have more sun, so we were able to go out and do stuff with. And but I think with our new dog, she still has to get used to walking on a leash, and we put a sweater on her. So our dogs definitely will be back to hiking mode sometime soon.
Yeah, not really winter travel ready quite yet. Being a 12-month-old puppy, definitely a little bit easier in the summertime. Or 12-week-old puppy, but we're definitely always excited to get new experiences out with the pups and see all of our new areas and meet new friends. So if you did like this video, what should they do?
Please like and subscribe.
Yes.
Leave us comments below, even if we have
even if it's a little constructive criticism, we love to hear it, positive and negative. But we definitely appreciate all of you for watching and sticking along this trip. So we'll have more adventures coming up soon. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon. We're cooking dinner, so
Yeah,
stay tuned.
it's time for steaks in the cold, so we're gonna warm our bellies up soon.
Bye.